Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have a given question 9 power x over 81 equals to 72. Let's provide solution very quickly, and of course here you have to copy. We have 9 power x over 81, and this is equals to 72. And what do we have? We have 9 power x over 9 squared equals to 9 times 8. Right. And of course here we have to make cross multiplication to get 9 power x equal to 9 squared times 9 power 1 times 8, which is equals to 9 power x, which equals to 9 power 3 times 8. So at this stage here we are allowed to apply logarithm. Logarithm of 9 power x equals to logarithm of 9 power 3 times 8. And of course here we have to say x logarithm of 9 equal to 3 logarithm of 9 plus logarithm of 8. Right, so here you're supposed to divide to write x, right? X logarithm of 9, then divide logarithm of 9 equal to 3 logarithm of 9 over logarithm of 9 plus logarithm of 8 over logarithm of 9. So at this stage this and this will be cancelled to get x, which equals to, and of course this and this should be cancelled to get 3 plus logarithm of, here it is 8 to the base 9. And of course this is our solution. What next? The next thing here is to check if the answer is correct. So we have to check, and of course you have to copy. Have 9 power x over 81, and this should be equals to 72. Now we have here x, so we have to say 9 power 3 plus logarithm of 8 to the base 9, then over 81. This should be equals to 72. We don't know. So of course you have to say 9 power 3 plus 9 power logarithm of 8 to the base 9 over 81. This should be equals to 72. And of course this is 9 squared times 9 plus, and of course we have same base, to mean that the answer is equals to 8 plus 8. This should be equals to here 81. This is 90, 9 power 2, which equals to 72. Here what should we do? And of course here what should we do? We have 81 times 9. 81 times 9 is equals to 700 29 plus 8 over 92 and 9, it is 81, it is not 91, equals to 72. And of course here, if we add this one, we shall get 737 over 81. This should be 72. And of course here this 72, which equals to 72. And of course left hand side equals to right hand side. And of course here, this is not this is multiplication. Sorry, this is multiplication, and of course this is multiplication, and of course, and here this is multiplication, so we are supposed to simplify at this stage only. And of course you shall get 72, which is equals to 72. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.